2024, an administration began to round people from the streets. They created what looked like concentration camps as the private prisons scurried to build more cells. Housing was taken away with short-term rentals, and as Blackstone bought up more and more homes, social benefits were cut. The safety net sliced open so the people could only fall. Where will they go? Where will they go? What will they do? What will they do? Do you try to disappear them? Do you try to disappear them? Citations and arrests balloon. The state fills their prisons for years until they overflow. Where will all those people go? You've taken away the communities. And so, the lawmakers and the private prisons plot. Representative, we have a proposition. Your prisons are far too full. We can't continue to fill them. However, we can't let these people go. They have no home. Let us go back to the street. We can build a corporate town to keep them in their place. Your streets are clean and free from mess. This gives us free labor to build upon.
But what if they have families that want them back? Will my constituents rage or cheer? I can't afford an angry mob, not in an election year.
Leave it to me, my friend. We market it as a humane space for people to thrive and work to their greatest potential. We empty the female and male prisons into these towns, and if they couple, they will continue to provide us with the lowest of the waged workforce. Born to work they'll be. Born to work. The generations will be born to work for me. For me and my family.
I like it. I like it. It's clean. Let's keep it clean. And we'll make so many profits.
Oh, how we will benefit.
I know I will benefit, and you will benefit.
Well, yes, and I'm doing my part. I'm providing a home. I'm giving them a safe place.
And how they will make us profits.
Oh, yes, we will profit. And who will benefit? And who will benefit? Oh, how they will profit. Oh, how they will profit. And who will benefit? And who will benefit? Oh, how they will profit. Oh, how they will profit.
This looks like the prison that we left.
I don't know what if it's safe. Well, we have what we need and don't worry about anything. I don't mind working.
I long for the land I grew up on, where to grow my own food and run free. This isn't my space.
I don't trust it. They just want cheap labor. There is no choice. We have no choice. I hate this.
Do we have a choice?
Do we have a choice?
Do we want to live that way?
Do we want to live that way?
Do we have a choice?
Do we have a choice?
Do we want to live that way?
Do we want to live that way? I don't know. They planted a tree over there, and another one right there. It's an improvement from the prison yard. We might be free inside this place. I'm ready to fall in love and start a family.
What's your name?
I'm Grace.
That's a nice name, Grace.
And you?
I'm God.
Hi.
As you can see, time has passed. The winds have come. Families are being made. This is a safe place, but it's different than living free.
She's getting bigger. She's on her way.
She will grow and play with the other children.
I worry about the future. Is this what we want? She is born into our debt. She'll never be free from the corporation.
Work's not that bad. We come home to one another.
But our positions don't change. We are debtors. We are not promoted. We are cogs in the machine, stuck to this system. wish you could see where I came from and know what it was to be free.
What is free?
Free as the sun as it shines on your face. Free as the wind as it blows through your hair. Free as the feeling that we only feel here when we can take a hidden breath. I did have a father, and I might still. I left my home to find work, and I worked, and I traveled. Before I went into prison, I had a home.
Mama, did you have a mama?
I did, baby. I loved my mama. She was the most beautiful woman. She sang to me and cared for me.
Like you do for me?
Yes, that was your grandma Nancy. She would have loved you so much.
Your grandma is my mama?
Yes, and my papa's your grandpa.
But there are no grandparents here.
You're right, there are no grandparents here. One day they'll make us grandparents. You will have a child of your own.
How many generations will live in this populous prison? How many generations can they hold?
Who controls our history? Who
Controls our history.
Who tells our stories?
Who tells our stories?
Who controls our history?
Who controls our history?
Who tells our stories?
Who tells our stories? Is it a bird?
It is a she, my love. This bird is our child.
We knew this might happen. How is it possible that this generation has been born feathered?
All the children born have been tested and proved to be pure genetic humans. But they look like birds.
They're the best of both of us. Look at those beautiful baby toes.
Is it an evolutionary jump? Will they free themselves from this prison? Will they someday just fly away?
And build a home in a tree. If our plight is housing, then a bird can become free.
Let me see, let me see. She looks like the others. Maybe she will teach us to fly. Maybe she will teach us to fly.
Maybe
continued, but people are no longer docile. The people want to be free. The first child has been born and fights to be more than a cog within a machine.
Daughter, I know that your fight is just. Daughter, I trust that you will gain our rights, that are ours, over time, a chance to move out of this prison.
Father, I know they're coming. I know we will be taken when we strike. Stay strong, my girl. We will support you. We will share all the writings you've all created. We will not let this struggle die.
The youth have given us hope.
You're coming to us.
Mama, why are you crying? I'm sad. I want to be free. I want us all to be free. What is free? Free is a feeling, free is time. Free is not taking special orders. Free is living without fear. Free is owning your body, your time. It's making dreams, following your dreams, making something that does not have to sell. I'll help you be free, Mama. I miss Liv. I miss my sister. She made me feel free by playing and singing. She made me feel free. Little bird, what are you looking for? Freedom, for freedom. There's freedom in the land, but first you have to land. What do you know of freedom? I don't, but my parents want it. I told my mom I'd help her find it. She said it feels quiet and calm, when no one tells them what to do. Quiet and calm, being able to choose what you do. I know this feeling, to me it feels like the wind. What do you mean? It feels like going when you want and deciding where you go. It feels like the wind tickling my feathers, lifting me up and pushing me to the side. You can take the wind and you can ride from now